Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's part 28 lecture series, we will deal with how to play and pause the sound in Android. Okay, this is the second example in which we have the two buttons, one is play and another one is pause. When we click on play, the sound will be play, and when we click on pause, the sound will be pause. Okay, so now let us elaborate this example. Go to your Android Studio. From file, new project, empty activity, next. Then name of application, my music new. Okay, language is Java, API level is 15, click on finish. So this is what our project is loaded now. Okay, so we will delete this default text view from here. Now in the res folder we have to create a raw folder, so click on view in explorer. Here in res we will create a raw folder. Okay, and we will add the mp3 file which we want to play. Okay, so this is I'm going to add now, copy, and I will paste in a, okay, so here my new sound. Okay, so this is we are going to use with the media player object. Okay, now this is fine. We will close this one. In a res raw there is a file, my new sound dot mp3. This is we are going to use. Okay, now from buttons, now again have the image button, and here we will go for the play. The image button one is for play. Set the coordinates for this. Okay, this is the play button, and then one more button we will add below that for the pause. IC media pause. Okay, again we will set the coordinates for this. Okay, we have the two buttons, and when we click on these buttons, the corresponding play and pause activity should be done. Okay, so this is first image button for play, and this is the second image button for pause. Now in the main activity we have two image button IB1 for play and IB2 for pause, and we have the media player. Okay, so we will initialize here the media player. Very first IB1 equal to IB1 equal to image button, find view by id r dot id dot image button. Okay, so this is what. Then IB2 equal to image button, find view by id r dot id dot image button 2. Okay, now we will create the object of media player. Media player mp equal to media player dot create for this context, and the file we have to set. Okay, r dot raw dot my new sound. Okay, so this is we want to play. Now simply IB1 dot set on click listener, new on click listener, and we will mp media player dot start. Okay, we will start the media player. Okay, So here we need a final. Okay, and for the ib2 dot set on click listener, new on click listener, and here emp dot pause, media player dot pause. Now let us run this configuration. Okay, so this is what our application has been loaded. When we click on play, the sound is going to play, and when we click on pause, it is going to be pause. Okay, play and pause. Okay, so this sound is pretty slow, so we will add some fast sound. I will copy. Now here I will add the sound, fast sound. Okay, so here again we have to change fast sound. Now we will run the configuration. So now the activity has been launched. When we click on play, when we click on pause, it will be pause. When we click on play, it is started. When we click on pause, it will be pause. Play, pause, play, pause, play, pause. Suppose what I want, when I click on play, the play should be vanish, only pause will be there, and when we click on pause, the pause will be vanish and play will be there. Okay, so we will add this. I am pausing this. So here what I have to do, this ib1 dot set visibility, it should be invisible, and at the same time ib2 dot set visibility, ib2 should be visible. Okay, in the same manner, when the pause, ib2 should be invisible. Set visibility invisible, and okay, ib1 dot set visibility, it should be visible one. Okay, so now let us run this configuration once again. Now the activity has been launched. When I click on play, it will be vanish. Only the option will be pause. When I click on pause, the pause will be vanish. Only the option is play. Okay. So when I click on play, the play will be vanish and only the option will be pause, and when we click on pause, the pause will be vanish and only the option will be play. So now play. Pause. Play. Pause. Pause. Now play. It is playing and then pause. It will be pause. So you can create this type of fun application, or you can create your own media player for playing the sounds. Okay, so this is what the demo about how to play the sound, how to pause in Android. If you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe my channel for the latest.